Hey guys, this is Mike with VMP Performance. Today we have Carl's car on the dyno. Carl brought his car into us to see if we could make a little bit more power with his Gen 3. So we set him up with a built short block and a little bit more aggressive pulley combination. So let's strap this thing in and see what it does. Alright guys, so after the built motor with the Gen 3, the VMP custom tune, we were able to get 938 horsepower and 745 torque for Carl. This is a really impressive car. He is going to have a lot of fun with this, and I can't wait to see what he does. If you guys like what we did with Carl's car, make sure to get a hold of our sales team and they can put you together with a similar package, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe.